Good evening, dear students. Today we are going to start. Our topic is punctuation. Today we are going to start punctuation topic, which is in your Grammarland book, page number 101. What the means of punctuation? Punctuation means when we write any paragraph, any sentence, any answers of the questions, poem. Okay, so in English and in Hindi also there are some rules, some symbols are there where we little bit stop, where we full stop, where we use different sign, comma, question mark, apostrophe, that. So these are combinations of sign, and when how we use it's called punctuation. In this chapter we will learn capital letters, full stop and question mark. Only 3 punctuation which is in your syllabus: capital letters, full stop and question mark. One by one I will explain you. Let's see. First, using of capital letter. Using capital letters. Where we use capital letters? You use capital letters in your writing when you write answers, poems, paragraphs. So the first word, when you write any sentence, that sentence first word always will be capital. You can see bears catch fish. This is our first sentence. One sentence. So B is the first letter of this sentence. That's why B will be capital. Next, special name. When we write any special names, Sunday, Monday, day, month name, July, September. So always first letter capital. The word I. When can I go fishing? Fishing. When can I go fishing? So whatever I on first place, on end of the sentence, on middle of the sentence, if we will write I, so I always capital. Let's see next some more use of capital letters. We use capital letters for names. When we write any person name, any place name, any thing's name, always first letter capital. When we write month's name, May, April, January, always first letter capital. When we write days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, first letter always capital. At the beginning of sentence means when we start writing sentence, first letter, whatever that is I or any other one, first always capital. After full stop, when you write any sentence, one sentence is completed, then after we use full stop, then again we start. So after full stop, first letter should be capital. When we write any quotes, that always capital. So let's see. Number 1, for the word I, we use capital letter. At the beginning of sentence, we use capital when you write any sentence. So when first letter always should be capital. We begin these names with capital. Which names? Names of pupil, any person name, any pupil's name. Ram, Sita, Seema, always first letter capital. Name of places, India, China, America, countries name, places name, always first letter capital. Name of days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, first letter capital. Only first letter. I am not telling you all other letters. Word, sentence, first letter, first. You can see here only S will be capital, others one small. Names of months, first letter capital. We do not begin these words with capital letters. Some which where we didn't use capital letters, times of day. Times of day means in one day 4 times: morning time, afternoon time, evening time, night time. There we will not use first letter capital. There we will use all letters should be small. And season of the year. In one year, many season: winter season, monsoon season, summer season, rainy season. So seasons name also all letters should be capital. Let's see our next topic, which is next punctuation, full stop. FULLSTOPS, full stop. This is a symbol, one dot sign is a symbol of full stop. A full stop is used at the end of a sentence. When we write any sentence, when our sentence is complete, then after you can see here also, this is a full stop, this small black dot. Our one sentence is complete. A full stop is used at the end of a sentence. My one statement is complete. That's why there after the complete my statement we use full stop. This is small dot. Every time you see a full stop, you must stop. Wear your full stop sign when you reading any paragraph, any chapter. When you see full stop, so you just stop. I must stop at the end of this sentence. Full stop, this is a symbol. It's used at the end of sentence. When our sentence will complete, we use full stop. It is needed to divide up sentence so that we know where to push. Means when we read any paragraph, any story, any statement, so many sentences are there. If we are reading same thoroughly, same speed, so we didn't understand properly what the statement is, what is the condition that. So let's see, this is an example. The children are playing in the garden. So let's see example. The children are playing in the garden. In this picture you can see both children are playing in the garden. So our one sentence is complete. The children are playing in the garden. So this yellow small dot, it's called a full stop. Our next punctuation is question mark. Our next punctuation is question mark. You can see this is a symbol of question mark. What is the spelling of question mark? QUESTION, question, MARK, mark. This is a symbol of question mark. Let's see, this is our third punctuation. How do we use of question mark? Question mark, this is a symbol. The main use of question mark is to ask a question. Main and most use is when we ask anybody to any question. What is your name? Where are you going? What are you doing? So we are asking the questions. So this symbol is showing you we are asking the question. In any sentence, if this symbol is used, so usually you understand we are asking the question. This is an example. Are you playing cricket? After that question mark means we are asking, you are playing cricket. What time it is? After that question mark. So this is a use of question mark. I hope students you understand all punctuation.